Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the clock is ahead error in Google Chrome. To get started, simply search for date and time settings and click on it. Scroll down and click on additional clocks. Go to the date and time tab and select change date and time. First set the date and then change the time and click on OK. Then click on time zone and set this as per your native and save the change. Now click on internet time tab, click on change settings, select the Windows time and click on update now. Once synchronized, save the change and close it, and this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, then consider replacing the CMOS battery, and once done, change the date and time in the BIOS settings, and that will definitely help fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.